All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. Got everything hooked up and ready to go. Got my spinner ready. All right, so we're gonna do this. Cool, you can see where it's clean and where it got soiled. That's because grout is porous, like a sponge, and it accepts all that soil. So we're gonna take care of that. This area, we can do the kitchen, dining room. As you guys can see, definitely needs some attention. We're gonna get that restored to the original state for them today. Then we got this little area here. Then we have the bathroom. And then another. And then another bathroom right here, guys. And then one similar, identical downstairs. So I'm not gonna take it down there to show you, but this is similar to this one. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get it back to original state. The client, Mr. Byron's excited for it. And then it's gonna be clean and sealed and ready to go. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we're starting on the kitchen now. We already did the bathroom. And just look at the difference this is making, guys. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this. We love saving floors. You see, this is the maintenance, restoration, clean. Look at that, guys. Look at that difference. See that? Isn't that amazing, everybody? So if you guys need the service, or if you have this tile, reach out to us. We're happy to help you. We just charge $1.50 a square foot to clean it and 50 cents to seal it. And essentially, depending how you use it, it should last a couple years before you need to do it again. A lot of times, tile and grout's not sealed when it's new, so therefore it's porous. And the only way to prevent this is to clean it and seal it. Just like your carpet's protected with factory protection, your tile a lot of times is not. And that's why this is so crucial, guys. Look at that difference it's making. We do that with our powerful truck mount system at 200 degrees, 1,000 pounds of pressure, and the right chemistry and innovation and technology allows this to happen, guys. We've been doing this for 20 years, locally owned and operated, and love to serve. We're here when you need us. Our motto is, before you floor it, let us restore it. Of course, you got plenty of videos, testimonials on YouTube, Facebook, and Google. But if this is your tile, reach out to us to make it look like new again. We do a lot of this for contractors too, new homeowners, new builds. As here, Ryan, just come seal it for us. And on average, you're doing this every couple years, especially if you have dogs and kids. We recommend more frequently, but yeah, guys, look at that. Boom. Stay tuned. Bye-bye, soil. We're having a funeral today, guys. So this worn out, dirty tile, reviving it. Heyo. All right, guys, those of you tuning in, we are doing a tile and grout cleaning. As you guys can see, fantastic revolt. Look at this, guys. Guys, going good. You guys can see. Doing the entry level now. Getting it all nice and clean. Getting it back to the original state. What do you think?
Like, you know, that thing was filthy when I moved here.
Was it? Yeah. Now it looks like brand new. I'm going to seal it. You're good to go, my friend. You love it?
Yep.
Awesome. All right. Hey guys, right here at IL Cleaning. I'm with the client, Mr. Myron. He booked on the spot once he found out I did tile and grout cleaning. He saw my reviews and I was local. He wants to speak to his overall experience today with IL Cleaning. Here he is.
They were on time, cleaned up, and moved the stuff around for me so I didn't have to get around. So I'm very well pleased.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Myron. Appreciate it. And would you recommend us to everybody here locally?
I will.
Awesome. Appreciate your feedback. All right, guys, you heard it from him. Like I said, we just did his tile and restored it, and I'm getting ready to seal it. But look at this, guys. Night and day. All right, guys, we're doing a church. We're doing some VOM cleaning for a church in Columbia, Illinois, actually right behind our shop. Our shop's over there. We're going to take care of this today for them. And yeah, guys, got about 3,000 square feet, and that's a wrap. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here's the sanctuary we're doing in Columbia. As you can see, it's about 3,300 square feet, and they have a lot of organic coffee stains from morning service, morning coffee, that kind of thing. This is a commercial glue down carpet, and there's actually squares. But we're going to take care of this for them, get it back to the original state. And the process we're using is a VOM cleaning, which stands for very low moisture, and that's going to help encapsulate the soil, keep the carpets cleaner longer, and also faster dry times. So anytime we do a church or a commercial establishment, we do a VOM cleaning, so it dries fast, helps repel soil, and gives them the best cleaning for their budget. So we're going to do that today for them. It's going to be a successful carpet cleaning for them, and they're excited. And again, it's just a clean and maintenance service so they get back to business, so they can be ready in time for worship. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned for some more results. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. All right, guys, moving right along. Check it out. They're going to love this. Ready for service. Beautiful. Facebook, YouTube, just got done. It's a wrap, guys. We are finished with this 3,300 square feet of sanctuary for a church. And as you guys can see, it responded well. Got all the coffee stains out, and it's drying now. And yeah, they're going to love it. Thanks for watching.